Hello and welcome to the channel. And today we're in Newquay and we're staying at the Newquayi Sea View Travelodge. This one's a little bit different, guys, so make sure you watch this video and check it out with me. I've already checked in. Let's take the stairs for a change. We're only on the first floor. Before we head to the room, let's check out their breakfast and bar area. We're in the room 133. Let's put the card in the slot. Welcome to the room. At the back of the door we have our usual fire evacuation plan, and at the side of the door we've got our usual hanging space, and as normal above your 2 spare pillows, and there's 6 hangers, and next to these storage hangers there's a mirror. Hello. Next to the mirror we have our standard radiator, which I don't think we'll be using tonight. Here's our TV. It's a decent enough size. And you kind of got a usual sort of Freeview, what you normally expect in a Travelodge. As you notice, guys, we've got quite a big Travelodge room here. For some reason I've been put in a family room. I did go downstairs to the reception and ask, and he said no, it's not a mistake, we just haven't got many rooms available. So this is what I got. We got our standard double bed and our fresh towels. There's our usual side light, and 2, not 1, USBs underneath the shelf on both sides of the bed. I'm impressed at that. And here's the 2 beds I won't be using. Now, I have seen pictures of the rooms with a sea view, and they do look quite amazing with this sort of long windows. But unfortunately, you know, I did ask, but none were available. But then again, I did book this at 1 day's notice, so I can't complain. Time to take my shoes off and do the bed test. Here we go. Yep, this feels fine, and these pillows are okay as well. I must admit, I never have any problems with Travelodge beds. I normally find them comfortable enough. And here's our usual Travelodge pick. There's definitely a mark and what looks like grease stains. I don't think the camera will be able to pick them up, but trust me, there's sort of grease stains sort of running up from that little white chip in the wall. Now I'm noticing the room doesn't have air con, which to me would probably be a bit of a problem in the summer. Here's the mirror above the desk. We've got our comfy chair. Yeah, that feels okay. I'm not feeling any crumbs. And again, your bog standard desk. However, I'm noticing there's no bottle cap opener on the side of this desk. They've given me 4, not 2 cups, and a few more teas and coffees and milks I normally get. Kettle looks clean enough. And we've got another 2 USBs where the double socket is. I've tried the chair, and it'll come in handy later when I'm working on the laptop. Under the desk we've got a usual bin, then there's a fan stashed underneath there. Here's our bathroom. Notice we've got a sort of angled bathroom here. Let's go in and check it out. So we have our loo, which is sort of one of these loos are slightly suspended off the floor. The all important test. Yeah, that's clean, that's fine. Our usual 2 toilet rolls. On this case, looks like 1.5 toilet roll. We have a little dinky sink and one little usual mixer tap. Here's our shelf with a little bit of damage there. Decent size mirror with a light above. Your soap dispenser, and yep, it's got soap in. I've already tested it. Here's the bath, being a family room. Personally, I prefer just having a shower, but we have a bath. To please somebody I know. And we have a hair and body wash, and again I've checked it and it's okay, it's full. Here's a shower head, which is nice and clean. There's a grab rail at the side of the bath and a towel rail on the back wall. All in all, the bathroom's okay. The liner's pretty much okay. I noticed there's a little bit peeling off. Bottom of the door's got a little bit of water damage. Before we do our little summary, let's check out Newquay a little bit. So we've got this little pub, the Griffin, right on the doorstep, and across the road there's a local Wetherspoons, and we have 2 beaches on the doorstep as well. This is Great Western Beach, or if you're lucky enough to have a sea view room, you'll look down onto. And the next beach is Town Beach, and Town Beach is only 5 minutes away. So, what do we think of this Sea View Travelodge? Well, it's quite nice. It's okay. It's kind of modern. The room was up to date. They have a little cafe bar area for breakfast and for dinner. Not particularly big actually for a Travelodge. I was surprised how small it is. And it's on the first floor, just further along from actually where my room is. Now, earlier in the video, I waxed lyrically about how good it is that you had USBs in this room. You know, and there's so many of them. There's 6 actually. 4 around the bed and 2 on the double socket where the kettle is. However, none of them actually work. Don't ask me why, but not one of them. At first I thought it was me, thought it was my charger lead, tried that, no. Changed the charger lead, wasn't the charger lead, put the charger lead in the plug, put the plug in the wall, and the phone charged. So obviously it's the USBs. I tried all my other devices again, tried them on the USBs. No, not the sausage, nothing worked. So I don't know what's going on there. Also the little strip light you get on top that lights up, that didn't light up. Not that it bothers me, but there you go. Okay, that's my little rant over, shall we say. Right, so the burning question, what you want to know, how much did I pay for this Travelodge in Newquay right next to the sea? Well, bear in mind that I booked this with 1 night's notice. You know, I just decided to come up with a spur on the moment on Saturday when I worked out how good the weather was going to be. So this cost me all of $59.99 for the night, which, like I said, I thought was reasonable. So I'm quite happy with this Travelodge. I'm so happy to recommend this to you guys as well. So if you like this video and the rest of my videos, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Check out the Newquay video, which is coming soon.